Hello ROS developers, and welcome to the ROS Control 101 video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS Control, ROS Navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, everything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I'm Bayode Aderola, and today we are going to learn about how to interact with the robot joints in a graphical way. More on this shortly. Before anything else, remember to visit Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. Here is the link to the academy. Once you get there, just click on sign up free to get started. Now let's get started with the business for today. Today we said we are looking at interacting with the joints in a graphical way. But before we get down to that, let's look at a bit of recap on what we've been doing in this video series so far. So far, we've learned that ROS controllers help us controlling our robots by interfacing with their actuator and joints. Basically, we want our robots to do certain things and we need them to use their joints for these tasks. So, and then we also saw that in order to control our robots in ROS, we need to configure them to use ROS control packages. And this means configuring transmissions and the gazebo ROS plugin. In the previous videos, we saw how to do that using some sample URL files. And in the last video in the series, we launched a sample controller using a package and launch file, and we saw that the joints moved when we published some of its topics. Now for today, what we want to do is we want to start to interact with those joints now in a different way. In the previous video, we interacted with the joints by publishing some data into some topics. For today, we want to do that using a GUI tool called ROS, and then push some dynamic data to the joints and see the results live, and we also graph some of the data to see the results in real time. So let's get to work. So we are basically following this exercise, but the very first thing we need to do is to take note of this warning in red here. That is, we need to have our controller running before we start. And to have our controller running, we need to run one of the commands we ran in the previous video. This command that starts controller. Okay, so we're going to run that in the first shell here. So this, we now have our controller started, joint 1 position, joint 2 position, and joint state. By now we understand what these controllers do. So the second thing we are going to do is to start the GUI package by running this command, the second shell. So we wait a bit for that to boot, and then we head over to the GUI tool here. Click here to open the GUI tool. Okay, great. We are there. So let's maximize our window. Right. So we are going to use the first plugin that will publish some data to the topics of the controller. And for this case, we are using joint 1. We are publishing some data into the topics for joint 1, and we'll see that joint move. Currently, everything is stationary here, or it won't be so for long. So the The topic is robotics. Time 1 session. Command. Then we click on the plus sign. Great, so we have it here now. The next step is to expand it so that we can have our expression statement here. But first we change this to 100 as the publish rate. And then for this we change it to a dynamic expression, the sine wave, sine I divided by 100, where I represents the time. So let's see. Is anything happening here to our window? Okay, true, because we are here to activate this. To activate, we click on this checkbox here. So something must be happening now. Let's go check. Right. So we can see our robot arm moving as predicted here. Alright. So you can try various expressions here. But for now, first we go to see the graphing tool. So we can minimize this window. Now I will open another plugin. So visualization plus. Okay, so we have it. We are going to look at the same topic. We are clicking the plus sign here to add it. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, that's the graph, what the data is currently, and so let's add the second graph. So we have for this tape. Process value. Another one too. So we can see the process value down here. Okay, great. And that was all. In the description of the video, you'll find a complete course about ROS Control and all the resources mentioned in the video. Did you like the video? If you did, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. Either you like it or not, please share your thoughts and questions in the comments area. Peace out. Odabo.